Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to map a network drive in Windows 10. This method is too easy. First of all, you have to search on the below and type Manage Advanced. Now simply select Manage Advanced Sharing Settings from Control Panel in the search results, and new window will be open and three options will appear here. First one is Private. Click on this arrow for Open It and select these options. Turn on Network Discovery. Turn on Automatic Setup and then select Turn on File and Printer Setting. Select the Save Changes button. And then let's move on to the next step. Now what you have to do is click on this piece on the left pane and new window will be open. And then you have a few tabs on the upper part of this window, so click on the Computer tab. As you can see, the Map Network Drive option is showing up, so click on it. First of all, you have to set the drive as a preferred drive letter, so make sure to click on the drop-down menu and select the letter. Then make sure to click on the Browse option to select a folder for which you map the network drive. After deciding with selecting the folder, make sure to press on OK. Now the next thing you have to do is enable the Reconnect at Signing, so make sure that this box is ticked in, and as well make sure to tick the box next to connect using different credential options. The last thing you have to do in here is to press on Finish. And that's it. Now you just mapped a network drive in Windows 10. If this information was helpful for you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to watch more useful videos like these.